In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off limits on your Instagram app. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Instagram application and then get in your profile. After that, once you are in your profile, tap on the three lines icon right here at the top right and then select Settings. Next, tap on Privacy. And here tap on Limits. There are some limits for accounts that aren't following you and account who recent follow you. And there is limit period for 1 week, it can be some days or some weeks. And to turn off that limits, just tap here to turn off button, and now there are no limits on your account. You see how that's simple and easy, and if it was helpful for you, please like and subscribe.